Hi, my name is Ann Brock. I'm from RightStar Systems. My goal today is to show you in just a few minutes how BMC's Helix Digital Workplace can energize your service desk, deflect calls from your end users, and increase the value you provide or you and your service desk provide. Digital Workplace is BMC's consolidated catalog. From one interface, I can go ahead and request all kinds of things. So I'm sitting here, I'm looking at my consolidated catalog. You see down here, maybe I need some support as a teacher. I'm going to go ahead and select Teacher Support Requested. I need some classroom observation. Best way to contact me is via email. And please review my attitude. I don't know, whatever I need them to do. The key thing is that I can easily go ahead and put in a request that's going to go through and get routed to the group that's going to help me with my classroom issues. That's one of the things we can have out here in the catalog, but there's a lot more as well. So for example, maybe I need to get VPN access. That's going to go to IT. I can go ahead and request that, answer the questions, and get that. I need it. Working from home. And of course, right now, that's fairly high. So I can go ahead and submit that request. It'll go to IT and the right kinds of things that can happen. But as I mentioned, this is a consolidated catalog. So if I wanted to do something else, I could go ahead and do that from here as well. So for example, if I just want to put in a JIRA ticket, not something against the ITSM tool, but I want to put something in against JIRA. Well, when I do my search up here, you can see I've got a knowledge article, so I can troubleshoot JIRA, and I can also submit the request from here. Knowledge articles is how you're going to deflect calls because you're putting your knowledge articles out here so your end users can review them, see what kinds of things are in them, and maybe solve their own problem. In this case, I don't actually want to troubleshoot my JIRA instance. I want to put in a request. This request is actually going to go to my JIRA tool, not to my ITSM tool that I'm currently using. So that's how it becomes a consolidated catalog, is from one self-service interface, I can funnel tickets to different back-end systems. This interface is available on mobile as well, and that's one of the ways you can really increase the value because now your end users can use their mobile devices to put in requests for items. Again, teacher support, IT, parking permit, whatever you want to do. Now I'm going to go and do something called Chatbot to show something a little different. This is something one of our customers implemented along with their ITSM tool, and they said it was the first time that their IT department ever got praised by the students. They implemented Chatbot, which is a way to put out knowledge articles and service requests in a more friendly fashion. So here maybe I'm having a VPN problem. I can go ahead and type that in, and the Chatbot's going to ask me some questions. What's the description of the issue? Can't connect. I'm working from home. I need to be able to connect. As I say, they're going to go ahead and submit the request. That one's pretty simple. It's going to go through just as though I had done it on the portal, but now it's doing it in a chatbot functionality. And in fact, I could be doing this in tools such as Skype or Slack. So there you can use other instant messaging tools or other chat tools to put in issues to your back-end systems. Now let's say I'm going to have a group of people coming into the school, and we're going to do, I don't know, we're going to do a big meeting there, so I need guest Wi-Fi access for them. So I'm going to go ahead and say I need guest Wi-Fi, and I'm going to say it's the PTA, let's say. How many accounts do I need? We're going to have a pretty good group, so I'm going to have 25. They're coming in tomorrow, and it's a multi-day meeting, so we're going to be here till Friday. They're going to need access till Friday. What this is going to do is submit a request in for all these guest Wi-Fi accounts, and then if you have automation set up on the back end, you could actually create those accounts automatically and send them out. I've just given you a flavor of this. So I wanted to show you a few things you can do with the digital workplace, especially if you add on Chatbot, to again energize your service desk because now they're focusing on things that are more important than the routine questions they answer every day. Routine questions are going to get answered by knowledge-based articles, which deflect the calls from the end users, and you're increasing the value the service desk provides. Thank you for your time.